ZL1, nah, I ain't basic. Niggas mad, they talk behind my back, they better face it. Grinding every day until a nigga really make it. Caught us up in traffic, 12 thought that we was racing. 12 thought they had us cause the whips, we was driving fast. Rest in peace, Tavy, my little bro, he always did the dash. Quick to put my money in the bank, ain't never had to flash. I don't even need the gang around me, I be acting bad. I never really drink or like the party, but the game do. Let the money change, other niggas don't let it change you. My last crew was yellow, but I rapped it, they thought it came blue. When I got that call on Tavy, I'm like, it's A-true. Fuck the streets up, the whole city know our names now. You was hating on me, why the fuck you in my face now? What's the deal, gang? It's your boy Tez, right back with another banger. If you new, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're a part of the gang and you'll miss out on no videos. Today, I wasn't even planning on vlogging at all, y'all. I was just finna meet up with my boy Dom, CJ, Kurt, and Zach just to get some reels with our cars for real. I never really get out in the rain like that. Y'all know, I'm just like against the rain with these cars, bro. Like, I got nothing but bad experience in the rain with Camaros, y'all. But yeah, since I'm linking up, since I'm getting the car out, I figured I might as well get a video since, you know, I'm getting out and, you know, driving a car. Every time I don't pull out the camera, something always happens to where I regret not recording. So I'm just like, fuck it, I'm gonna bring the camera and I'm gonna just vlog everything we do today. Because the road actually not that wet, but y'all can see they are. And it don't slip that bad, but you just can't ever enjoy the car, bruh. Yeah, see, good thing I started recording, y'all, because this thing driving good. It is weather. So far, I see Zach and I see Josh. I don't see nobody else. So Dom and CJ, y'all need to hurry the hell up. Y'all acting like we going somewhere. All we doing is taking some pictures and videos. Should I pull in here and slide the ZL1 real quick? Sliding around they two cars. We got the clean wide body scat. Y'all see it, SRT wheel cars. Then we got the clean SS, the one that would gap that. If y'all want to see that race, y'all leave a comment. I think Josh would beat him, even though them newer scat packs is supposed to be faster. Right now I'm waiting on CJ, Dom, and Kurt to pull up. As soon as they pull up, that's when we're gonna go take pictures and reels or whatever. So I see Kurt right now, y'all. He might pull in here and do some donuts. Kurt love to slide his thing, y'all. I wanted to show y'all something else since we vlogging today, y'all. I ain't gonna turn the car off just in case I sit back in it, but yeah, I'm finna take this white off the wing. It look good with all the white details, but I feel like it's a little bit too much, y'all. Yeah, see, big old Kurt right there. He ain't gonna slide it. You ain't gonna slide it. You ain't gonna slide it. He's funny as hell, bro. Yeah, I wanted to take this white off. I know last time I tried, it was too cold. Huh? He's dangerous. He got the smoke coming out. He got the smoke coming out the tires. That look hard. But yeah, last time I tried to take this off, y'all, it was coming off as like small pieces. Yeah, I might have to wait until it get warm, y'all. Cause y'all can see it's not letting me pull it up, but I'm gonna take this off the wing. Even though it look good, I just feel like it's a little too much, y'all. I feel like off the wing, it'll be straight. It'll just be on the bottom part. We got CJ pulling up now. The only car we waiting on is Dom. You ain't even shout yourself out, man. What you got to say?
CJ fucking Kurt, man. I will be posting on YouTube. I just got a video with CJ coming.
Yes, sir.
So we will be posting that shit. I'm going to get that shit out by tomorrow.
Yeah, CJ, I hope, because he was supposed to take me to ride in the first. That's that gay Mustang shit. I know y'all haven't seen this thing in a while, but one of the fastest cars in the group. What the fuck, bro? I ain't gonna lie, bro, that shit gonna bust my damn eardrum, bro. What the fuck? Do you see that color right there?
I do see the color. Yo, it's from a lot of shit.
With the alcohol? Yeah, that shit like it's stuck in there.
I'm about to take the mufflers off and do dumps.
For real?
Yeah.
That shit really gonna be stupid. It's gonna sound like a Cam probably. This is the Whipple 5.0 that I raced, y'all. I'm gonna drop the link in the video just so y'all can watch that. But yeah, man, look at this lineup. We got a Mopar. We finna have 2 Mopars. Damn, so it's finna be 2 and 2. 2 Mustangs, 2 Camaros, and it's finna be 2 Mopars. We just waiting on Dom to pull up, so.
I put 5 with a bet 5.
Bet 5 that you beat Dom here?
Yup.
Alright.
Ask somebody out there. I know somebody got 5.
Nobody ain't gonna bet you. Hey, Riley said bet him 5, he get here before Dom. Nobody don't wanna bet you, bro. Cause they believe you. They know you gonna get here. But alright, bro, we here.
Alright, gang.
Alright. I should have bet him. That's what y'all get. Free $5. Damn. Yeah, I did not know his shit pop like that. I'm trying to get CJ car on the video. Finally pulled up, y'all. I swear everybody car sound louder. I haven't either, bro. See, we all finally out here, man. This lineup looking nasty. Loving the colors, loving the matchup. It's 2 Stangs, 2 Maros, 2 Mopars. Y'all tell me who y'all got. If y'all had to pick 2 right now, which ones y'all picking? Y'all picking the 2 Mustangs, y'all picking the 2 Maros, or y'all gonna pick the 2 Mopars?
Your followers, bro, they all gonna pick the Camaro.
Nah, I feel like some of them gonna say Mopars the way the wide bodies
Dom
look.
shit hard though.
Yeah, him and Zach shit together hard. I mean, really, all of them together really hard. It's gonna be whatever they like, really. Yeah, his rap hard, bro. I think it changed it like 5 times. The real CJ? So is you gonna start your channel or what?
Yeah, I need a name though.
For real, I'll come up with that shit tonight. Think about it. But Dom ain't playing, he getting his reels.
Like so many
Name, you had to find the right one. But yeah, y'all, I only got 2 bars left, so I'm gonna cut the camera back on as soon as we go to our next little location to take pictures and videos, y'all. Hey, YouTube gang, I'm on here trying to show the live. My boy CJ car, I'm showing them the forged carbon. I ain't even show y'all the stars up here, man. CJ is doing it. Kurt, you see the stars in here?
You said what?
The stars in here.
Yeah.
That bitch hard, bro. What they gotta say? You ain't saying nothing. Where you get the stars done? I gotta ask them. That's they on here saying where you get the stars done.
Stars is crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, he making me want to do it. YouTube, y'all let me know, man.
Bro, you need to put the stars in your shit,
It'll
bro.
fit my car so
That shit
perfect.
would be crazy.
Instagram, should I do it?
You put the pink stars in there,
Pink and purple, bro.
pink and purple stars, and them bitches like flashing and
Yeah,
shit.
hell
That's
yeah.
hard.
Y'all leave a comment. Y'all let me know if I should do this. I was hitting up Next Gen Speed about this, but I don't know, they price kind of too high, y'all.
They be doing that shit?
Hell yeah. Bro,
How much
talking
they
about you
charge?
should. I ain't gonna, that's like, I think that shit like 1,500 or some shit like that. Y'all ain't paying that much to put some holes in my roof, nigga. I got 1 bar left on the camera. We're gonna have to make this last. Yeah, right now we headed to the next location to take some pictures. I ain't gonna lie, I might spin it on some quick shit for y'all. I just been in the mood, y'all, to slide it lately. So, yeah, when we get to the next spot, I'm gonna just cut the camera back on. I'm trying to save my battery on this one because it is kind of low. Last I looked, it had 1 bar on it, so I'm trying my best to save it, y'all. But I'm gonna see y'all as soon as we get to the next location. What is wrong with him, bro? He gonna crash the whole caddy, bro. What are you doing? Hey, Dom. Dom, you gonna slide that bitch? You ain't got the wheels on or the drag pack on?
Hell no, burnt that bitch the fuck up.
For real?
So you don't remember downtown?
Yes, I knew that was gonna tear your tires up. I'm gonna drop the link too. I'm gonna drop the link because I said that. I said he tripping with the drag pack. Before I wrap the video up, before we go on and go to another spot, I was trying to do that for some more light, but never mind. I'm finna slide the ZL1 real quick. I ain't gonna do too much. I ain't finna go wide. I'm gonna just give it a little something for the vlog. You know, that way I can end the vlog on a good note. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna give Riley the camera. I'm gonna let him take over and just get to y'all when I get done, y'all. Trying to hit Kurt, I'm sliding closer and closer.
Hey, you see how hot these?
You want to slide yours real quick?
Huh?
I was looking at you. I thought you wanted to slide yours.
Bro, I want to slide my shit, bro. So record me.
All right, come on.
Cinematic,
Let's do it before we get it hot. I got you. Turn this thing off. Hey, they don't even leave no spots. Good thing it's wet. Nobody can't say we was doing anything. Kurt finna go ahead and slide this thing. I told y'all he always trying to slide. I'm gonna get him sliding it, and then we're gonna wrap the video up before we get hot over here, y'all. Dom, you after Kurt? Come on, let's get it. That bitch in first gear. You got a lot of power. You want me to get you a cinematic for real?
Yeah. I'm about to get the cinematic right now.
Y'all, excuse the YouTube angle, but I'm trying to get him right for his Instagram, y'all. He going around the caddy. He was finna go around the caddy. It's that rain fucking niggas up.
Around that bitch, Sammy.
Our cars is too loud. Kirby tripping. Shit! That boy is tripping.
That boy freaky, you hear me? You call him freaky teeth.
Now I'm about to go ahead and wrap this one up, man, before we get too loud and get too hot. Unless Dom go ahead. He said Kurt cut. Yeah, you see how the rain kind of fuck it up? I could tell. My shit did the same shit.
So I have to be real.
Hold on.
I got you a video.
Oh, he got the whole ting on there.
Dom.
That shit the first time I met you. So
Oh yeah, facts.
First time I met Jazz.
You went around my SS, yeah. Is you next? Yeah. It was in Lansing. Y'all see, this is a nice neighborhood. Don't want to get too crazy. We finna get up out of here, man. If you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up, man. Leave a comment. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Go follow my boy Kurt too, man, at TGO_Kurt. Cause he just slid. Y'all see, you had to turn up for the channel, but I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. I'm out.